It says Super Suds shampoo surface cleaner. Alright, right there, chemical guys. MR.PINK. It says Super Suds shampoo surface cleaner. First time using it. I'm about to wash my truck. All my supplies. Let's check it out. Alright, so first thing first, twist this off. Just like that. Take this off. Very easy. Let me see what it smells like. Hey, very it's like candy, sweet smell. It smells pretty good, honestly. Alrighty. I don't know why I'm shaking it, I just do. Pop that open. And I got my water hose and a bucket of water. Now, let's see. Alright, I don't know how much to use, but 2 squeezes. All sunk to the bottom. Alright, I got my water hose on jet. Let's get it. Let me know how you do this. Do you fill your bucket up first with water and then do it, or halfway in the middle before? No. Super Suds, no lie. Yeah. All right. Let me get my sponges and stuff together, and we'll see how this goes. Okay, let's try it out. The Super Suds look like it's just when you add the water to the bucket, but the suds do stick around. They don't disappear like other ones. Like other soaps, they tend to lose their suds. Not this one. These guys, their soap does stick around. It does a pretty good job. Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna use this whole bottle, and then see if I like it. Maybe I'll stick with it. Maybe I'll try something else. Until then, give this video a like, comment, share, and subscribe.